Tired of slow Windows updates and endless lag on your PC? What if I told you there's an operating system that's faster, cleaner, and looks just like Windows but way better? Today we're installing Zorin OS, the ultimate Windows killer you must try in 2025. Whether you're switching from Windows or just want to revive an old laptop, this Linux-based OS is perfect for beginners and power users. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to download and install Zorin OS on your PC. Before we start, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, you have to download Zorin OS ISO file. Open your browser and search Zorin OS download. Open this website. Scroll down. Here you will find Zorin OS. Click on Download. Now we will need another tool called Rufus to create bootable USB. Download latest version of Rufus from its official website. Once both files are downloaded, run Rufus. Select your USB drive. Now here select ISO file and click on Start. Once done, click on Close. Now press Shift key and then restart your PC to enter into boot menu. Once your PC restarts, you will see an interface like this. Here select your USB drive and hit Enter. Now follow all the on-screen instructions. Congratulations, we have successfully installed Zorin OS on PC. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.